In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Beehiiv newsletter name, which you can accomplish in just 5 minutes. Whether you've rebranded or just feel like your publication needs a fresh title, updating the newsletter name is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Beehiiv's website. If you aren't familiar, Beehiiv is a platform designed to help you create, distribute, and monetize newsletters effortlessly. So once you're on the homepage, you'll want to navigate to the login option. You'll see login prominently displayed, and that's where you'll click to get started. After clicking login, you'll be presented with different ways to access your account. Opt for sign in with Google for a seamless and secure way to enter, especially if you have your account linked to Google services. It's a quick step that saves you from having to remember yet another username and password combination. Once logged in, your goal is to access the settings. You'll find this option on your main dashboard. It's the control center of your account where all configuration options reside, everything from account details to publication settings. So go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now that you're in settings, look for the general info section. This area houses all the essential information about your newsletter. And conveniently, there's a direct link available, streamlining your navigation process. Click on it and you'll be taken right to where you need to be. Now within general info, your focus will be on the publication name field. Think of it as the identity of your newsletter. What grabs your audience's attention even before they open your email? It's crucial to have a name that reflects your content and brand accurately. So decide on a name that encapsulates that essence and head to this section. Next, with ease, simply click on the field where your current newsletter name is displayed. Delete the existing name and type in your brand new choice. If you're still deliberating on what that should be, remember to make it memorable and indicative of the content you provide. Short, catchy names usually work best, but ensure it aligns with your brand voice. Lastly, here's a wonderful little tip. Beehiiv automatically saves your changes. So once you type in the new name, there's no additional save button to worry about. Your new newsletter title is now updated just like that. And there you have it, your Beehiiv newsletter officially has a fresh name, and it took less than 5 minutes. Remember, changing your newsletter's name can be a big deal for your subscribers, so consider informing them of the change in your next email. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.